So this is the price of the AMO 28 Ultra on AliExpress. As you can see, it's currently being sold for $14.99, about $1,500. Now this isn't the official price. The device would officially launch on the 17th of March. So on the 17th of March is the world premiere, and that's when we get to know, the official price of the Ulefone AMO 28 Ultra. And I'm expecting the AMO 28 Ultra to be sold for at around $1,000 at least on the 17th of March, from the 17th of March. But I don't know. Anyway, but this is the price of the AMO 28 Ultra on AliExpress currently. $1,500, $1,500, guys. So it's not cheap. It's not a cheap device. Okay. Anyway, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.